Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. We are jumping right into this video with my favorite Christmas tree base. This is a tree topper, and I store it with all the branches pushed up and put it in this topper, and I then fluff the branches down. Just makes it look much more natural. Did I say how much I love the base of this? It's actually an old lamp base. My mom gave me a set of 3 of these tall, skinny sequin trees, and the other one was blue, but I'm keeping it blue, and I just want to spray paint these. Metallic silver. This tree laughed at the spray paint. The base did good, but this tree giggled when I painted it. Rethink. This time I'm doing a matte white. Maybe it'll stick better. We'll see. The trick to this is using this Dollar Tree white paint. It is so opaque that it makes these houses look like they just got hit by a blizzard. I really slopped it on there and dabbed it everywhere. And in the end result, they just are, this color is still there, but they just look totally snowed on and like they just made it through a really severe Christmas snowstorm. There was no damage from the snowstorm, and everyone had their bread, eggs, and milk because it was Christmas. And now for the glistening snow effect. Makes me want to build up the fire just looking at them. That same Dollar Tree opaque white paint. hey, what if this would fit right up on there and become a base for it? I think it will. I think it looks great. I hot glued that thing right to that base, let it dry, and bam, it looks gorgeous with the matching wreath. This is not the wreath I made last week, but it was my inspiration. These colors just go so well in this vintage bathroom. I picked up this cool hat box for $1, and I am going to turn it into a Frosty hat. I'm going to paint this bottom, well, it's going to be the top. I'm going to paint it black. I'm going to take this giant bowl, place it down, carve around it, and attach it to this hat. I think it'll be a cool, I'm not going to paint the sides or the band. And then I think I'll add some flowers or something. And my hope, I haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna put some kind of a stencil of something from Frosty the Snowman. Something about the magic hat. I absolutely love this bag. And as I'm getting ready to cut it up, open, it even has a house on the center. But I'm going to put this with this house on one, and then turn it around and just put the trees on another. I don't know, maybe I'll cut that out and stick it in. I'm not sure. Now that I know that, let's see how creative I can get. Let me know in the comments below, which one of these was your favorite? Was it this really cool lamp base? Maybe it was the sequin spray painted trees? Maybe you really liked the blizzard struck townhouses? Another super cute one, the plaque with the wood Santa and reindeer? Or you're like me and just love the simplicity of the base for my bathroom Christmas tree. Someone please say these copper stocking holders are your favorite because I'm not that fond of them. On the other hand, I absolutely love this little magic hat. It was so easy and turned out so cute. These Christmas tree art pieces turned out absolutely adorable also. It's so hard to decide. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby. Follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and on Instagram.